Welcome back, everyone. I was just fiddling with some wiring here. Going to replace this old wiring with new wiring, trying to use the original location for some historic accuracy, and wondering why it was so difficult to pull these out of the hole. I'm wiggling them around. They move a little bit, but I'm mostly just shredding the insulation off of them. And here we have two screws touching each other right down the middle of the wire. They simply could not have screwed that any better. Pull up, pull up, pull up. Nope. There's something else holding this. Careful. There's some original insulation. Oh no. Some original foil. And some modern fiberglass. Where did that wire go? Not this way. Right, well, I'll have to investigate that more later, but all I'm trying to do right now is get new wire into place here where I want to put this foam in. So we have a new 3-conductor wire here. Has an extra conductor in it, so it will replace whatever both of those wires were doing. They go to a fan up there. Just not entirely sure about the control of it yet. Just trying to find the original wire hole up at this end, and it appears someone has put a bolt in it. Right next to a regular bolt. Someone did not understand what was going on around here. I'm not going to be just drilling extra holes everywhere and weakening the place. That does the job for now. Plenty of wire here to go up to the middle and arrange that however it was when we figure that out exactly. And plenty of wire to go downstairs. Another loose bolt. Why is there a pine cone in here? You tell me. Gotta clean my gun. the can of acetone. You gotta first get the socket clean enough to seal. So there's all the insulation in the upstairs except for in the window areas. I have to make those tomorrow. I spent a lot of time today investigating the electrical situation some more, and hopefully I can present some findings on that tomorrow. But for now, I'll remind you again that you can donate to our project at fullerdomehome.com, which I will put in the description, and I'll see you tomorrow.